jacket. Titay. Ate, oo nga eh. Dapat nga.
Good evening.
Ayan na, good evening.
Beloved classmates, batchmates. Sorry guys. Ang pleasant evening to you all. It's my great pleasure to be here with you and to deliver the opening remark for Batch 93 for our first alumni homecoming. Time flies so quickly. It's already 20 years since we Batch 93 marched here at the quadrangle of Jose Abad Santos, where we held our graduation ceremony. But tonight, we're here again, not to tackle exams, assignments, and projects, but we are here sitting beside each other, mesmerizing old days in school, and asking each and everyone with a simple word of, "Kamusta ka na?" We also gather here tonight to give thanks to our beloved alma mater for preparing us well enough for the future as to be what we are now. So, batchmate and classmate, we'll make new memories of a moment we will cherish till we grow older. So once again, Batch 93, welcome to our first grand reunion.
Nakuwait ako kanina, sir. Magulat. Now, may I call on again Miss Joy for the opening toast?
Tonyo, buka mo yung basket.
Tuloy-tuloy na natin to, girl.
Ayun na to, sa'yo?
Yan na, sa'yo na yun.
Good evening, guests and batchmates. Here's a toast to those who are here this night. To the good old days of Arellano Jose Abad Santos High School Batch